In today's video, I'll show you how to send GIFs in Slack, a fun way to spice up your conversations and express yourself dynamically. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Slack tips. First, open Slack, either in your browser or through the desktop/mobile app. Log in using your email, Google account, or Apple ID. Once you're in, select Workspace where you want to send GIFs. Keep in mind, Workspace permissions might affect which apps you can add. Next, head over to Slack Marketplace. Use the search bar to find the Giphy app, which allows you to send GIFs directly in Slack. Click Add to Slack and follow the setup prompts. You will have the option to choose a content rating, usually from G for general audiences, to more relaxed options. Select the level that fits your workspace and click Save Integration. Refresh Slack to ensure the app loads properly. Now you're ready to send GIFs. In any message box, type /Giphy followed by a keyword describing the GIF you want: funny, celebratory, or just cool. A preview will appear. Click Send or Share and your GIF will instantly be part of the conversation. And that's it! You've successfully added some fun flair to your Slack messages. GIFs are a simple way to make chats more lively and engaging for your team. Thanks for watching and enjoy brightening up your Slack conversations with GIFs.